Hello, hi, namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to my channel, A New Hope. Guys, a sincere request to all my viewers, please do subscribe and share the videos. As I promised in the previous video to all you, that I will come with the detailed syllabus of Eklavya Model Residential School vacancy for the year 2021. So, guys, this is the video related to the detailed syllabus of TGT, PGT, and principal and vice principal. So please guys stay tuned to the last. First, I would like to discuss about the child development and pedagogy for principal and vice principal post. The first thing is the dimension of development, growth and development, concept of development and growth, principal factors, stages and characteristics of stages, development with special reference to childhood and adolescence. The development and growth concept is related to childhood and adolescent. As you are going to deal with childhood to adolescent period of student, so it is very necessary to know all these things, physical and psychological, related to a child and adult. So then second one is adolescents understanding their needs and problem in Indian context. Because you all know, adolescent period, be it be adolescence, childhood, old age, it is related to the society, how they treat them. So it is confined with only in Indian context. Then parenting style concept and its impact on childhood. Then personality, meaning, nature and assessment, how do you assess the personality, the definition of personality and its nature. Then theories of child development, the second part is theories of child development. All the theories we studied during our B.Ed course, you all are very acquainted for this term, like cognitive development by Piaget, concept, stages and implication with special reference to Indian context. Then theory of social and emotional development by Erikson, concept, stages and implication with special reference to Indian context. Kohlberg theory of moral development, and all this theory related to development of child and adolescent. Please refer all these things, whichever you have read during your B.Ed course. Then learner as a developing individual, it is the process, intelligence, creativity, mental process of learning and memory. In the intelligence part, the nature, meaning, theories of intelligence, then Thurston's group factor theory, measurement of intelligence and application of intelligence test. Then creativity. What do you mean by creativity? It concept relationship with intelligence. How could it be related with intelligence? Technique for fostering creativity. Then mental process of learning, thinking concept, types of thinking, divergent, convergent, critical, reflective, and lateral thinking. Then memory, the concept, types, and strategy to develop memory, forgetting nature causes factors and strategy to minimize forgetting. In this related thing, memory and mental process of learning, I would like to add one more thing to you guys. In my channel I have a video uploaded, alpha waves, and how do you increase your child or your adult memory power, how do they concentrate more on study and focusing on things. You can please search, I will give the link in this video. Please click on the I button, you will go to the video and please watch this video. Then learning in sociocultural perspective, agents of socialization, those who are belonging to social sciences like particularly sociology, they are very familiar and confirmed about the process of socialization. As we all know, socialization is a process of learning or inculcation of culture and our tradition. It started from the womb of the mother and end at death. So there is like agency, formal agency, informal agency, and many types of socialization are there, like re-socialization, anticipatory socialization. Then family, school, community, and the role of child development. There is also one another agency, peer, your friend circle. Then sociocultural change as factors influencing child development. This is related to sociocultural influences on the child. Then impact of marginalization and stereotyping on child development with special reference to gender, social class and poverty. Yes, this is also another part of social science. those particular who are belongings to sociology department, or any one have taken sociology as their elective or not subject during graduation, or any elective subject during intermediate, they can connect with these terms. Gender, we all know there is physical differences between men or women, or a male or female is sex, but gender is the socio-cultural construct. As society treat a male child, as society treat a female child, there is some stereotyping thinkings or myths related to this. And today also, as women empowerment is now a key factor of development in Indian context, still some women are also there who are now suffering for gender stereotype. So it is the latter and part we will discuss more about these things. Then role of media in constructing and deconstructing perception of ways dealing with above issue. Yes, role of media in all this, like in socialization process, in sociocultural change factor influencing the child development, and in gender stereotype, social class and poverty. So you should have to deal with the some current factors about that, these things also. Then perspectives in education and school organization. Act rights, right to children to free of compulsory education at 2000 and Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. Then you have to concern about the constitutional article related to these things, the amendments related to these things, POXO Act, then protection of children against corporal punishment in school and institution. All these art and regulation related to child development, education, school, you have to follow these things. Then national education policy 2021 or 2020, you have to read all this related things to child development, the foundational learning, child care and education, everything. The early childhood care and education, the foundation of learning, foundational literacy and numeracy, an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning, curtailing dropout rates and ensuring universal access to education at all levels. Then curriculum and pedagogy in schools, learning should be holistic, integrated, enjoyable and engaging. All these things is related to the development of adaptation by children to the schools, the education, the system of education. Then how could you handle the challenges, how could you tackle the challenges related to the education, child development, and uh, universalization of education. Then teacher and teachers education, equitable and inclusive education, learning for all, efficient resourcing and effective governance through school complexes clusters, standard setting and accreditation of school education. This is like to the related to the educational system, the training of teachers, their improvement, the standardization, NAC accreditation, and there are other some agents accredited to school education. So you have to follow all these things. Then online and digital education, which is now becoming the most of the major part of education now. Then school organization, curriculum, meaning, principal, types of curriculum, organization, approaches, institutional planning, then evaluation, community supplementary material, audiovisual aids, laboratories, library, clubs, museum, textbook, workbooks, information and communication technology. All this related to the school organization or the school system. Then rights and duties of principal, vice principal in residential school. Right and duties of principal, vice principal reference to different stakeholders, development and maintenance of facilities and assets, role of principal and vice principal in promoting excellence in academics and co-curricular activities, promotion of ethics and values in academic institution. All these things are related to the academic excellency. Then teaching and learning part, understanding learning, the concept of learning, the nature of learning, types of learning, factors influencing the learning. Then learning strategy, cooperative learning and collaborative learning, peer tutoring and group learning. Then role of teacher and schools in relations to learning strategy. Then individual differences like concept types, causes and educational implication. Then learning paradigm, theories of learning, Connectionism theory, trial and error Thorndike, concept laws, learning by educational implication, conditioning theories, Pavlov, classical conditioning, operant conditioning, Skinner, concept and theory, characteristics and educational implication. So this is also related to your beard, the child pedagogy and all these things. So you need to cover all the theories you have read at your B.Ed course. So please do not skip any theory. I may have missed any of theory you have read in your course. So you should add this theory and start your preparation. And understanding teaching. What do you mean by teaching? Concept, definition, characteristics, features, and levels of teaching, and related concept of teaching like training, conditioning, instruction, introduction, intro, indoctrination. Then variables in the teaching process, the learning task, instructional objective, learning behavior. Then socio constructivist approach is teaching, application of Werner, Oswell, Vygotsky, and ideas in teaching. All these theorist ideas how they develop in teaching learning process. Then phase and models of teaching. Stage of teaching, reactive, interactive, and post active. Models of teaching like meaning, need, elements of basic teaching model, Glacier, concept attainment model, Werner. So, all this theory related to the models of teaching should have to follow these things. Then, part B, the administration related to the school and finance management, which is a very most important part of principal and vice principal post syllabus. The rules relating to their fundamental and supplemental rules, CCA rules, conduct rules, traveling allowances rule, leave travel concession rules, medical attendance rule, pension rule, new pension scheme, general financial rule, purchase procedure, income tax, and so on. This is related to the school organization, the education system, the children, the staffs, all at a whole. So you need to have to the basic idea about the finance management. Then let's discuss about the trained graduate teacher and postgraduate teacher syllabus. In this video, we will only discuss the more about PGT, and another video will be framed for details in TGT. But here also we just saw some important part of TGT also. So do not skip video. Please watch till the end. Mm, for both PGT and TGT, the pedagogical concern is the same. So you both can follow the teaching aptitude and pedagogy like curriculum, meaning, principles, types of curriculum, organization, approaches, then planning, instructional plan, year plan, unit plan, lesson plan for the students and their study syllabus, then instructional material and resources like textbook, workbooks, supplementary material, audiovisual aids, laboratories, library, club, museum, community information and communication technology. Then evaluation, like their examination evaluation, monthly test evaluation, happy yearly evaluation, quarterly evaluation test, tools, characteristics, good test, continuation, comprehensive evaluation, analysis and interpretation of scholastic achievement test. This is like a theory. You should need a more interpretation about the scholastic achievement test. So inclusive education, then understanding diversity concept, types, disability as a dimension of diversity, disability as a social construct, classification of disability in its educational implication. Why they said disability as a social construct? Disability always does not mean like a physical inability, but sometimes how society treat disability, how other students, other parts of the aspect of society treat disability. So they are differently abled people which they need the same opportunity, the same chance as a normal child are getting. So don't treat them differently, but they do their work in differently, so they also have the right to get the exact education, the actual education as a normal child can get. So then philosophy of inclusion with special reference to children with disability, then process of inclusion, concern issues across disability, constitutional provisions, school readiness, infrastructural including technological, pedagogical, attitudinal for addressing the diverse needs of children with disability. Then yes, disabled people or differently able children should not treat differently, but there are some more benefit, more opportunity, more uh, more opportunity will be provided to them. How can they get the best opportunity to read, to to get the inclusive education, so they are not excluded from the normal education for the normal society, they are in the mainstream. So you should have to develop the attitude within yourself to bring them into the mainstream. Then communication and interaction, communication concept, elements, process, types of communication like verbal, non-verbal, then communication and language, communication in the classroom and barriers in communication, then subject knowledge. For PGT and TGT, there is, for PGT I think 80 marks for subject, and for TGT I think sorry, for PGT there is 60 mark for subject oriented question and TGT 80 marks. Then for concerned subject you have to complete the whole syllabus of graduation, and brief intervention for your PG syllabus. As we are postgraduate, at the minimum age qualification we should also have to uh, take some related fundamental concept strategy for the uh, uh, TGT post, sorry, PGT post. Then, if but more focus should be for the graduation level syllabus. If you completely focus and prepare for the graduation level syllabus, like if you are applying for PGT chemistry, then you have to complete the graduation level chemistry syllabus. All you have read through 3 years. Then for TJT, the only thing that as your eligibility criteria belongs to the graduation with BA, then you need to have to complete the graduation syllabus. As for example, if you are applying for TGT Hindi or TGT History, you should have to follow all the syllabus you cover during your graduation, 3 years graduation course. Then let us discuss about the TGT biology detailed syllabus. The first thing is the systematic and bionomial system of nomenclature, classification of living organism, general description of Monera, Protozoa, fungi, Allergia, Bryphotes, Petidophytes, Gymnosperms, Agnosperms, then structural organization in plants and animal morphology, morphology, anatomy, histology, animals, insects, amphibians, structural and functional organization of cell, structure and function of carbohydrates, protein, lipids, nucleic acid, classification and nomenclature of enzymes, plant physiology, water relation, transport across cell membrane, basic principles of light absorption, absorption, agitation, energy transfer, electron transport cycle, etc. Plant productivity, measurement of photosynthetic parameters, physiological response to abiotic stress, sensory photobiology, plant growth regulators, then sexual reproduction like plants, structural details of, then anatomy, behavior in infancy, pre-adolescence, adolescence of adult, development, reproductive health, problems and strategy, population explosion causes, female feticide, then MMR, IMR, MTP, STDs, dysfunction and infertility, causes and curative measures, reproductive sexology, environmental and industrial chemicals, drugs and alcohol, medically assisted human, productivity, technology, culture, then genetics, human chromosomes and related syndromes, inheritance, chemical nature of DNA and RNA, and all this related subjects like with this. Then DNA fingerprinting, gene mapping, chromosome binding, restriction engine, agriculture, animal breeding, medicine, human behavior, then counseling and genotherapy, HGP, physical basis of life, biochemical evolution, evolution of eukaryotic cell, and evolution of the major vertebrates classes. Then sexual reproduction of plants, environmental issue, types of pollution, their indicator, cause, effect, and greenhouse effects like acid rain, etc. Then discuss the PGT mathematics, sets and their representation, Venn diagram, a definition of relation, Cartesian product of the reals with itself, then codominant range of a relation, function of a special kind of relation from one set to another, pictorial representation of a function, domain, codominant range of a function, real valued function of the real variable, domain and range of this function, then principle of mathematical induction, permutation, combination, fundamental principle of counting. Then algebraic properties of complex number, modules and agreement a complex number, square root of a complex number, cube roots of unity triangle inequality, linear inequalities, algebraic solution, graphical solution of linear inequalities into variables, binomial theorem, properties of binomial coefficient, simple application of approximation, sequence and series, arithmetic, geometric and harmonic progressions, quadratic equations, area of triangles using determinants, graphs of inverse trigonometric functions, elementary properties of inverse trigonometric functions, integral as an antiderivative, fundamental theorem of calculus basic, three-dimensional geometric, random variable and its probability distribution. Then discuss about PGT physics, physical wall and measurement, need for measurement, units of measurement, laws of motion, initiative, concept of force, work, energy and power, motion of system of particles and rigid body, center of mass of two particle system, gravitation, Kepler's law of planetary motion, the universal law of gravitation, then Newton's law of cooling, thermodynamics, thermal equilibrium and definition of temperature, heat, work and internal energy and all these related subjects, oscillation and waves, periodic motion, electronics, electrostatics, electric charges, conservation of charge, Columbus law and its application, current, electricity, electric current flow and electric charge, magnetic effect of current and magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents, electromagnetic induction, optic reflection of light, mirror formula, refraction of light, total internal reflection of its and application, optical fibers, etc. And electro devices, semiconductor, diode. Then PGT chemistry, some basic concept of chemistry, scope of chemistry, historical approach of matter to matter of nature of matter, states of matter, properties of matter and its measurement, system of unity, the laws governing ideal gas behavior, solids, related things like nature, classification, use, etc., structure of atom, classical theory, equilibrium, reversible reaction, criteria of equilibrium, law of mass action, equilibrium constant, surface chemistry, chemical kinetics, redox reaction and electrochemistry, solution of its type, expression of concentration of solution, thermodynamics, classification of elements, periodicity in properties, hydrogen, block elements, group, organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques, hydrocarbon, environmental chemistry, then Halkonesh and Halorenes classification method of preparation, then alcohols, phenol and ethers, then amines, organic compounds containing nitrogen, polymers, biomolecules, chemistry in everyday life, drugs and medicines. Thank you guys. I hope I will definitely come with TGT, so that's TGT syllabus details. So please, guys, watch my video. Those who are watching my video, very thank you to you, and please do subscribe and share these videos for more updates. I promise to I'll come with a I'll come with the syllabus of TGT social science. Thank you guys for your support and